गुलमर्ग में आज से विंटर यूथ फेस्टिवल शुरू हो चुका है। इस फेस्टिवल का उद्घाटन लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल रणवीर सिंह द्वारा किया गया। वहीं पत्रकारों से बात करते हुए रणवीर सिंह ने कहा कि घाटी में हर परिस्थिति से निपटने के लिए सेना पूरी तरह से सक्षम है और वो चाहे घुसपैठ का प्रयास हो या फिर आतंक विरोधी अभियान हो।
As far as ceasefire violations are concerned, they have continued on the line of control, but it is essentially the adversary, the Pakistan army on the other side of the line of control, which has been initiating ceasefire violations with a view to facilitate infiltrators to cross and give them cover, cross across the line of control. Our strategy is very clear. Whenever any ceasefire violations are carried out by the Pakistan army, they are given a befitting response. And it is to the credit of all the troops who are deployed on the line of control that we have been able to keep the enemy under tremendous pressure. While they might initiate a small action to support the infiltrators, however, they are given deterrent punishment so that they should avoid such misadventures in future. However, it has carried on, and your question whether what is the response we should do, we have a range of options which are available to the Indian Army. And depending on the situation, depending on what is the effect that we desire, we decide on whatever option has to be exercised. However, in the last about 4 to 5 months, there has been a relative decline in the number of youth who have been joining the ranks of militancy every month. It is because of the result of the sustained efforts of the government, of the security forces, that we have been able to prevail upon the teachers, the parents and the elderly, so that they should wean away their children from joining this menace of militancy. As far as radicalization is concerned, I think it is our adversary who has been using the social media to a large extent with a view to radicalize our youth, to take them on a wrong path, to give them false promises and to give them a false feeling that possibly they will be able to get azadi in the manner in which our adversary feels. But like I said, our youth has got a lot of knowledge. There is a lot of hope. There is huge capability. There is huge potential. We are all working together to ensure that their energies are channelized in the right direction for the good of our state as also our country. Our operations have continued unabated. Whether it is the counter-infiltration grid on the line of control, wherein we have a multi-tiered, very effective counter-infiltration grid, and that is the reason why we have been able to trap so many of the infiltrators on or very close to the line of control. Similarly, in the hinterland, our operations are working on very int-based, intelligence-based surgical operations. And it is to the credit of the Awam and the youth of Kashmir that there is a lot of flow of information, and because of that we have been able to achieve huge security successes in the past 1 year. You all are aware that we have been able to inflict more than 250 terrorists who have been killed in the last 1 year, over 50 who have been apprehended and about 5 who have surrendered. So this is a huge success as far as the security operations are concerned.
अगर आप अपने नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों को बेहतरीन खुशनुमा माहौल में शिक्षा दिलवाना चाहते हैं तो स्टार किड्स स्कूल आपके लिए है बेहतर विकल्प। स्टार किड्स स्कूल में बच्चों को खेल के साथ साथ खुशनुमा माहौल में मनोरंजक तरीके से शिक्षा दी जाती है। स्टार किड्स स्कूल में हर बच्चे को दिया जाता है खास ध्यान। प्री नर्सरी टू 5th क्लास तक स्कूल में बच्चों को कंप्यूटर क्लासेस के साथ साथ पिक एंड ड्रॉप सुविधा भी उपलब्ध करवाई गई है। तो देर किस बात की, अपने बच्चे का बनाए भविष्य स्टार किड्स स्कूल में। हमारा पता है स्टार किड्स स्कूल, ऑपोजिट एयरपोर्ट, अजीत नगर, नियर गुरुद्वारा, जम्मू। मोबाइल नंबर 8492073581, 019122624661। JK Update is fastest growing media house in J&K with 1.5 crore monthly views. JK Update is a best platform for advertise your brands and services. If you want to advertise your products and services, please contact us on this number. Mr. Sushil Sharma, 705-109-1804. JK Update, अपडेट रहें हमारे साथ।